In this video, we will guide you through the process of making Mullein Infusion, a simple yet effective herbal remedy. Mullein, known for its therapeutic benefits, serves as a powerful ally for lung health, helping to soothe respiratory issues and promote overall wellness. By incorporating Mullein into your routine, you can harness its natural properties to support your body's healing processes. We encourage you to explore our previous videos, where we delve into the identification and harvesting of Mullein, ensuring you have the knowledge to source this remarkable herb safely and sustainably. Join us as we embark on this journey to discover the art of making Mullein Infusion and unlock its potential benefits for your health. Your path to better respiratory health starts here, so let's get started. Mullein is renowned for its therapeutic properties, particularly in supporting lung health and aiding in the healing of lung tissue. This remarkable herb is effective in treating various respiratory conditions, including bronchitis, laryngitis, and asthma, making it a valuable addition to any herbal remedy toolkit. Its soothing qualities help alleviate inflammation and irritation in the respiratory tract, promoting easier breathing and overall comfort. What sets Mullein apart is its gentle yet potent nature. It can be used by individuals of all ages without harsh side effects. This makes it an ideal choice for those seeking natural alternatives to conventional treatments. By incorporating Mullein into your wellness routine, you can harness its healing potential and support your respiratory health effectively. Embrace the power of this herbal ally and experience the benefits it has to offer for your lungs and overall well-being. To make a soothing Mullein infusion, you'll need just a few simple ingredients: dried mullein leaves and boiling water. Start by gathering a quart mason jar, which is essential for steeping the infusion properly. Begin by adding about 1 ounce of dried mullein leaves to the jar. Next, carefully pour in boiling water, filling the jar to the top. It's crucial to let the mixture steep for at least 30 minutes to extract the beneficial properties of the leaves fully. When handling hot liquids, always use caution. Consider using oven mitts or a towel to protect your hands from burns. After steeping, strain the infusion to remove the leaves, and your Mullein infusion is ready to enjoy. This simple process allows you to harness the healing benefits of Mullein safely and effectively. To strain your Mullein infusion effectively, it's essential to use a thin, non-absorbent cloth, such as cheesecloth or a fine mesh strainer. This will help ensure that you capture all the beneficial liquid while allowing the fine hairs from the Mullein leaves to be removed. These tiny hairs can be irritating if ingested, so proper straining is crucial for a smooth infusion. Begin by placing the cloth over a clean bowl or another container, then carefully pour the steeped infusion through it. To enjoy the benefits of your Mullein infusion, it's recommended to consume 8 ounces 2 to 3 times a day. This dosage allows you to harness the therapeutic properties of Mullein effectively. If you have any unused portions, it's crucial to refrigerate them promptly to maintain freshness and prevent spoilage. Proper storage ensures that the infusion retains its potency for several days. When you're ready to enjoy your infusion, consider reheating it gently before consumption. This not only enhances the flavor, but also provides a comforting warmth that can be soothing for the respiratory system. By following these guidelines, you can maximize the effectiveness of your Mullein infusion and support your health. While Mullein infusion is generally considered safe for most individuals, it's important to consult a healthcare provider before incorporating it into your routine, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking medications. Herbal remedies, including Mullein, should not replace professional medical advice or treatment. Always prioritize your health by discussing any new herbal practices with a qualified professional. Additionally, be mindful of your individual health circumstances, as everyone's body reacts differently to herbal remedies. If you experience any adverse effects or allergic reactions, discontinue use immediately and seek medical attention if necessary. By staying informed and cautious, you can safely enjoy the benefits of Mullein infusion while ensuring it complements your overall health strategy. Remember, your well-being is paramount, and informed decisions are key to effective herbal use. To enhance the effects of your Mullein infusion, consider combining it with other beneficial herbs. Marshmallow root is an excellent addition, particularly for soothing a dry throat or alleviating lung irritation, thanks to its mucilaginous properties that provide a protective coating. For those dealing with infection-related issues, wild bergamot and oregano can be powerful allies. Both herbs possess antimicrobial properties that may help support your immune system. Experimenting with different herbs allows you to personalize your infusion to meet your specific health needs and preferences. You might find that a blend of mullein, marshmallow root, and wild bergamot creates a soothing and effective remedy tailored just for you. Always remember to start with small amounts when combining herbs and observe how your body responds, ensuring a safe and enjoyable herbal experience. In summary, we've covered the essential steps for making Mullein infusion, from gathering your ingredients to straining and storing the final product. We hope you feel empowered to incorporate Mullein infusion into your wellness routine. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with others who might benefit from this knowledge. Your engagement helps us reach more people and spread the word about the power of herbal remedies. Additionally, we invite you to explore related content on our channel or website, where you can find more information on herbal identification, harvesting, and other beneficial infusions. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.